This is the driveway that we installed tar and chip on. It's been about a year ago, maybe a little over a year. And it's holding up really good. There was one area right out here that it broke up. There was some sort of a base issue. And with all the rain we've had, it actually broke up. So we came back and fixed it under warranty for him. But what I want to point out is you really can't even see where the repair was done at. Had this been an asphalt driveway, we do really good work. Like, my guys are good at repairing things, but you'd still be able to notice where the repair was done. It's virtually undetectable. Like, even I know where it's at. I know I'm currently standing on it, but nobody could tell that this area has been repaired. It's, like I say, pretty much an invisible repair, which is another benefit of tar and chip. Like, the asphalt and tar and chip both have their pros and cons, but this is definitely something I like about tar and chip, is that you can get a pretty easy to install repair, and that you can do it without it being at all noticeable. So anyway, there it is, tar and chip repair, and it's completely invisible.